Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this fringe that I made for this rug. It's basically a regular fringe, but then I added some extra knots just to add a little bit more detail. So to start, you want to cut some yarn in the length that you want your fringe to be. So I cut about 15 inches in length of yarn pieces, and I'm putting 4 pieces together and I'm folding them in half. And I'm going to use a smaller crochet hook to attach them. So I'm attaching them every 3 to 4 spaces. So take your crochet hook and put it in the space you want from the back to the front, and you have your yarn folded in half, and it will create this loop where my finger is. Take that with your crochet hook, pull it down into that stitch, and then this will create a loop on the other side, and go ahead and grab the tail end, pull it through, and pull it tight. So I have one more I need to make for the end here. So once you have all of your fringe, you're going to start on one side. You're going to take one fringe or tassel, and then with the second one we're going to split it in half. So there's going to be 4 and 4. So take your first tassel and half of the second one, and we're going to make a knot. So hold them both together and make a knot, and don't make it too tight at first. So we have a loose knot there, and now you can adjust the knot where you want it to be and tighten it up. So for the next one, we have half of the second one, and then for the third one we want to use half of that. And then we're going to take half of this one and half of this one, put them together, and we're going to make a knot just like we did here. I start out by doing it loose, just so then I can adjust where I want the knot to be, and I want it to line up with the first one here. And then I'll tighten it. And then I'm going to go ahead and keep doing that for the rest of the way down, taking half of one tassel and half of another tassel, and then knotting them together. And for the last tassel, you're just going to use the half of the second to last one, and then the last one, and make a knot. So now you have all your extra knots for that extra little detail, and now you just want to trim everything with the scissors. So that is how you add this knotted fringe to any of your crochet pieces, just to add a little more detail to your work. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more crochet tutorials.